Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable background apps on Windows. Background apps will take up your computer's resources. So it's best to disable certain background apps. It will also speed up your PC. To start background apps, click Windows Start button and type Settings. Hit Enter. It will bring you to this page. And from here, search Background Apps. Click Background Apps, and from here you can choose which apps can run in background. Selectively disable background apps that you do not need. You can also turn them off by clicking this toggle button, but it is not recommended. Some background programs like Windows Security are necessary to run in the background. For Windows 11, not all apps can be stopped like this. Some of these have advanced options. You will have to go to advanced options for those apps and set background apps permissions to never. But for the Windows 10, you can come to background apps and turn off apps that you don't need to run in background. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.